So hi guys, this is Harry and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the unboxing of this very heavy little package that I just got. Okay, so there's no need for guesses, right? As you can see from the title, it's actually the Rode Podmic. So just give me a second to open up this package and I will just talk you through what you get in this little box. Okay, so that's the end of the package and I'll now open the box up to see what's inside. So before that, I'll just turn the box around to show you the pictures and whatever that is written or listed on the box. And now it's the description of the mic itself and just some random stuff around the box. And now I'm gonna slice open the seal. Yeah, it's sealed on both sides, so yeah, I have to open up both sides then. So after opening the seal, the outer box just slides out and now we can open up the actual box of the microphone. Okay, trust me on this guys, not only does Rode makes great microphones, but they also do great tough boxes for you to open, and the box is really hard and really heavy too, even without the microphone inside. Okay, finally we got the box to open, so I'll just show you. Okay, there's nothing there. Alright, so oh man, this microphone is really heavy, man. It's small, but it's the most heaviest microphone I ever had. But you can see the stains there right from opening the box. I don't know where that came from, but oh, it's really solid feeling. Everything just feels super solid. It's built like a tank. And we also get this small little card that comes with it. Let's just have a look at this. Just some diagrams for you to show you whatever man. If you buy this, I'm sure you know how to use the microphone, right? And there's nothing else there except for a little silica gel. Please do not eat the contents of that little pack, alright? So yeah, the mic, let's have a look at the back. I'm just covering up the serial number to show you that it is made in Australia, proudly. And I still can't believe that how sturdy this little thing feels like. I don't think it's gonna break or anything, man. I think you're gonna break somebody's head with it if you throw it at someone. Okay, then I think we've come to the end of this video. If you like to hear how the Rode Podmic sounds like, you can view my other video in my channel, and please subscribe to me or else. Thanks for watching. Bye.